Hello and welcome to our top place to eat this week.
Today the top place to eat here at the Nile Village Hotel and Spa. We are going to taste Indian, Continental and Oriental. And Enoch is going to take you straight to the chef.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, I'm the chef, executive chef, Melvin Omwala.
So what do we have here?
Here we have our delicious meal, pork mchomo, natural Ugandan spices.
Okay.
It took almost 5 hours to cook this. You can see the color, you can see the presentations.
Definitely.
Yes, with our beautiful mashed potatoes.
So it's served with what? What's this?
Served with these are barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Also has our indigenous spices. It has some lemon juice on it.
Okay.
It has some honey. This is mashed potatoes.
Okay.
It has some butter.
Okay.
It has cream and some little milk to make it authentic. As you can see, it's a hill. Garnish on top with the tomato. A star. It's just like a star on top of the
Lovely.
potatoes.
Lovely.
Yes.
Let's look at what you have here.
As you can see, it's a Ugandan whole fish, tilapia from the Nile. Each and every day we get it fresh. It has white pepper, it has light soy sauce, it has authentic other spices which are natural, ginger and garlic. With a beautiful sauce under it, as you can see, our colored peppers, which is green pepper, red pepper and yellow pepper, on top of tomatoes, juicy tomato, fresh tomatoes also from our garden. We have our natural spring onions. We boil our chips, then we select the potatoes, the chips.
Thank you, Melvin. Thank you for the information. So, what's your name, my friend?
My name is called Mahindra Kumar, Chef Mahindra.
Chef Mahindra.
Yes.
Nice meeting you, sir.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you.
All right, so what do we have here?
I have the firewood pizza.
Okay, firewood pizza.
Yeah, I have one firewood pizza.
Okay.
And our specialty, this one is called the Nile Village Special Pizza.
So what makes it special?
Here I have fresh dough. I make fresh dough. I have garden fresh vegetables there.
Okay.
And bacon, beef, ham. All meats item is there. And the peppers.
Okay.
And oreganos, the cheese, mozzarella.
Okay.
Mozzarella cheese.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
We are ready to eat.
Please. Thank you very much.
Wow, that is what they call mercy. As in the food, we loved it. Special thanks to the two chefs that organized and prepared this food and gave us those amazing reviews. Thanks for watching the show, and we appreciate all your love. Let's stay connected on all our social media handles, and vamama ni vababa tuweyanze zo tubona.